In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add user-specific secrets to GitHub codespaces. Secrets are important for keeping sensitive information, like API keys or tokens, safe while working in your development environment. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive right in. The first step is to log into your GitHub account and navigate to the specific repository where you want to add your secret. This is crucial, as each repository can have its own set of secrets tailored to the specific needs of your project. Once you're in the repository, look for the Settings tab. It's usually located at the top of the page in the menu. Click on it to enter the settings area for your repository. Now, on the left-hand sidebar, you'll see various options. Scroll down until you reach the Security section. It's usually positioned a little lower on the sidebar, so just keep scrolling until you spot it. Within the Security section, you will find an option labeled Secrets and Variables. Click on that, and it will take you to a new page where you can manage your repository secrets. This is where the fun begins. Now you'll see various options related to secrets. Among them, look for the one named Codespaces. Selecting this will direct you to the area specifically dedicated to managing secrets for GitHub Codespaces. Next up, it's time to create your secret. On this Codespaces page, there should be a button that says New Repository Secret. Go ahead and click that. This button will open up a form where you can input the details for your secret. Now let's fill in the form. The first field you need to complete is the Name field. Here, you should type a descriptive name for your secret. Using something clear and recognizable like API key is a good practice. This helps anyone who might access the repository later understand exactly what the secret is without having to delve into it. Next, you'll see the Secret field. This is where you'll paste the sensitive information or token that you want to secure. Be sure to double-check that what you're adding is the correct information, as this secret will be crucial for your environment's functionality. After you have filled in both fields, the name and the secret, you're nearly done. There should be an option at the bottom that says Add Secret. Click that button to finalize your secret addition. Congratulations! You have now added user-specific secrets to your GitHub codespaces. This process not only helps secure your sensitive information, but also ensures that when you're working in codespaces, your tokens are handled safely. Remember, handling your secrets properly is essential for maintaining the integrity of your projects and protecting your data. And that's a wrap on how to add user-specific secrets to GitHub codespaces. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel for more content like this. Don't forget to give the video a like too. Thanks